welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to make French toast. Yes, I want to show you how to make a nice French toast, and we're gonna make some fruit with it, but we're going to saute the fruit. Yes, usually you saute vegetables, but this time we're sauteing the fruit, and it's gonna be topped with the saute fruit flavor. Unbelievable, amazing. So let's start here. I have French bread here, so we need to do a few slices. So the recipe I have here, it will make about 8 slices. So I'm cutting the bread here. It's about 1 inch thick, and that's a 3 slice to work with at first. Let's put them on a side. Now for the eggs here, I have 2 eggs. And before we add any flavor to the eggs, let's whisk the eggs very well. And voila, now let's add some milk, brown sugar, and a little dash of cinnamon. Let's mix it very well. Voila. In the meantime, your stove on medium high. Ready to go. Now what I have here, I have some butter, melted butter mixed with the vegetable oil. The reason why I add vegetable oil to the melted butter, so the butter won't burn. So let's put a few spoons here. And now it's time to dip the bread both sides and get to go in. As I said, I'm working with 3 slices at first. Lovely, look at this, beautiful, that's what we're looking for. So about 2 minutes each side and good to go. Now in the meantime, I'm gonna work on the fruit. So your stove medium high, and about 2 tablespoons mixed butter and oil. And I have here some chopped strawberry, banana. I have some blueberry and pears, ice wine syrup, rum extract, and I have here a vanilla powder. Nice, smells so yummy. Lovely, almost done. Now I'm gonna finish it up with some caramel. So now the French toast is ready to go, the fruit ready to go. Let's put it on a plate. One of the yummy breakfasts you will ever have. Now let's place the French toast. Second piece. Third one. Yummy. Now let's put the fruit on top of it. Voila. Little bit icing sugar on top. And your classic French toast, easy to make, yummy breakfast, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.